Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset your Roblox pin in a few easy steps. So trust me, it's 100% working. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end, and I promise you, you're gonna learn a lot. So at first, open the official site of Roblox here, and then go in help. I forgot to tell you, the only way to get back your Roblox pin is by writing to the support. So how to write them is just to click on help and to go in I forgot my pin, and then click on need more help, contact support here, and yeah, enter your name, enter your email address, confirm your email address, and enter your username. Now in issue details, just select your device, PC, if you're on PC, and also select the type of help category, the type of help. I mean, if you forgot your PIN, just click on account hacked or can't log in, and then select here and select account PIN. Yeah, so here just add some polite and detailed and good explanation about why you're not able to enter in your Roblox account, and just ask them about do they can give you back your pin, Roblox pin, and they're gonna answer in the next 24-48 hours, I don't know. So yeah, that was it, and then click on submit, of course. And yeah, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or ashamed to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.